Hello everyone. I have already published a video on the English Honours syllabus of West Bengal State University, and in this video we're going to look at the syllabus of Calcutta University under NEP, which is going to be your semester 1 syllabus if you have taken admission in any college under Calcutta University. In this video I'm going to talk about the different texts that you have to study and how you're going to prepare yourself to score best in your semester 1. So, Calcutta University has actually focused entirely on poetry in their first semester, and therefore they expect you to have a basic understanding of different kinds of poetic forms. The first unit is History of English Poetry from Elizabethan age to modern period. So, history of English poetry means during every age, for instance, in the Elizabethan age, in the Jacobean period, in the neoclassical period, in the Romantic period, Victorian, modern, in all these ages, poetry evolved and different kinds of poetry came up. You have to focus only on the different kinds of poetic forms that evolved, different kinds of poets who wrote during those times. So you don't have to study about novels or non-fiction or drama. Now, in our channel, we have exclusive videos on history of literature, and you can find information on different kinds of poetry which emerged during different ages. So don't forget to watch them. There's a playlist on history of English literature on our channel. Do go and watch that. The next part deals with individual poems. So they have selected poems from almost every age as much as they can. So first they have selected William Shakespeare's sonnet number 73, a very beautiful sonnet, and although we do not have that lecture yet uploaded on our channel, we will do it very soon, and then you can come and watch it. Then they have John Donne's The Sun Rising. So this is from the metaphysical period. John Keats' To Autumn. You can find a complete video lecture on To Autumn, and this belongs to the Romantic period. I would advise you to watch the video on Romantic age and then go on to this video on To Autumn, and if you have time you should watch the videos on Ode to a Nightingale and Ode on a Grecian Urn as well, because To Autumn is like a culminating point. It's a final conclusion he has. So this video is available on our channel. W.P. Yeats' The Second Coming. This is also something which we have lined up for you, so it will be available very soon. So W.P. Yeats' The Second Coming is from modern age. And then finally Ted Hughes, another modern poet. Here you have the poem Crow. These poems are basically quite different from each other, and they will give you the flavor of the age in which they were written. So your study about the background of poems or background of poetry of a certain age will help you understand these poems individually. So don't ignore studying the background or the history of the age in which these poems were written. Personally, I believe this is a very straightforward syllabus, and you have a lot of scope for scoring well, because all these poems, they are not very bulky, their language is quite approachable, and you will have different kinds of moods and settings to appreciate the great range of English poetry that you will be later developing on. If you think that you need assistance on any particular text, you do write that down in the comment section, and we will try our best to address those issues. So till our next video, stay subscribed and stay tuned. This is Monami Mukherjee signing off, and you were watching NibblePop.